Hey, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your HughesNet subscription and services, and all official methods, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Cancel my HughesNet service via calling. You can easily cancel your HughesNet service by contacting their customer support department. Dial their customer service number 866-3473-922 for cancelling your service. You will be connected to one of the representatives. Tell them that you want to cancel your HughesNet service. They will ask you the reason for the cancellation, so make sure you have already prepared a great excuse. Provide them with your personal and account or service details that they might require to cancel the membership. Remember to ask them for a service cancellation confirmation message. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your HughesNet subscription and services. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.